Life is too hard for us to be divided. I found out from traveling all across this great nation, a lot of people do some great motherfucking work, they don't get no credit. This whole country is built on the backs of farmers. Farmers is our motherfucking lifeblood, the people that got a farm. That's who run the fucking country, feeding everybody. That's a hard job. That shit is not easy. I don't give a fuck how much money you got, you ain't ready for that motherfucking farm life. And when I say you, I mean me. I did not know that shit was gangster like that. It's hard as fuck. I hurry up, bought a 100-acre farm, got off the grid, then found out what the fuck the grid was. What the fuck did I get off the grid for, bitch? I need the grid. I found out I'm not cut out for this motherfucking farm life. I bought all the animals that was delicious. 100 chickens, 100 turkeys, 100 ducks, 100 rabbits, 100 cows, 100 sheep, 100 pigs. Everything that made a crackling, I bought it. I done had this farm for 4 years. We ain't killed a motherfucking animal yet. I don't know how you do this shit. I'm supposed to eat these my friends, bitch. I done named them, I talked to them. You want me to eat Hezekiah, bitch? Done had this farm 4 years, we still door-dashing Popeyes and shit. The chicken's cutting off the door-dasher. Might as well call it puss-ass farms. I don't care how delicious they are as cute as they are delicious. If you can kill a baby goat, your ass is a monster. That motherfucker don't do nothing but be happy to be alive all day long. I'm crying with mint jelly in my hands. Yeah. Be easy on yourself. That was my motherfucking point. It would seem like this country should be at its most divided. But I promise you, the reason this is the greatest country in the world is because we are the United States of America, heavy on the United, regardless of what we believe. And the whole thing is, as a family of different colors, we gonna need each other coming up. They not telling you that shit. You gonna have to depend on somebody that don't look like you. Yeah. See, we are scheduled to starve to death lest we work together. For the first time in 400 years, it's gonna be no Hispanics in the field to pick the fruits and the vegetables and the crops that we all eat and enjoy. So that means the next group got to step up, get in the field, pick these crops. Look at black people. I don't speak for all black people, but I do speak for all niggas. Niggas ain't never going back to the field. If Jesus come back, we'll have to explain it to him. Get out of there, Lord and Savior. We got 400 years of credit out there. We don't even pick fruit roll-ups. So that means for the first time in 400 years, it's not gonna be no Hispanics and no blacks in the field to pick the fruits and vegetables that we all enjoy. That means the next group got to step up, get in them fields. Look at my white friends. That's right, white friends. It's your turn. We need you now. Come on, white friends.
You can do this.
I want you to get as much sunscreen as you can legally buy. We gonna need you to be out there for 45 minutes to an hour at a time. We need you, white friends. And don't worry, it ain't gonna be fucked up like black slavery. You ain't gonna have to do it by yourself. We gonna be out there supporting you, white friends. Giving you words of affirmation and positive messages. We gonna be playing white Negro spirituals.
Doing a great job, Rebecca. Put your back into it.
Hey! Can I get some oranges on aisle 26, please? God damn!
Just saying we all gonna need each other.
Yeah. The most important health is your motherfucking mental health.
How the fuck is you doing up here? Make some noise if you doing good up here. That's what the fuck matters.
You gotta protect your motherfucking mental health. That shit is fragile. Once it go, it's gone. And it don't give a fuck who you are. Once it go, it's gone. You need your fucking mental health. And I found out some shit they did not tell us. And I can't wait to tell y'all so y'all can treat yourself better. Some of y'all be way too mean to yourself in the fucking brain. You say some really fucked up things to yourself. This is what they found out. They found out your brain don't know when you bullshitting.
Let me say it again.
Your brain don't know when you bullshitting. So if you tell your brain I'm sick, your brain don't do no research at all.
It just say, I guess we sick.
You gotta be nicer to your motherfucking self. Cause this shit go like that. And I found out when it come to mental health, I can't speak on nobody's mental health but my own. Cause every time I done spoke on somebody else's mental health, I've been wrong, wrong, wrong. I was the first person in the streets screaming, "Free Britney Spears! Free Britney Spears! Free Britney Spears!" Then they freed Britney and scared all of us. That baby need a conservatory shit. It can happen to anybody. I fucked around and said Wendy Williams was Bigfoot. And they believed me and left that bitch in the woods for real. Go get her.
She out there, how you doing?
She is talking to a squirrel. Mental health. Don't play with it. It even got Lil Nas X. He went down the wrong old town road. And he had all the distress signals for a black man. He had on a cowboy hat, cowboy boots, white underwear. Look at my white friends. So what? I'll tell you a Negro secret. A nigga ain't wore tighty whitey since slavery, bitch. That is a cry for help. We don't even know where you buy those. He got a pulled all high showing his whole vagina.
Stop it. Don't do that. Don't encourage me.
I'm just saying, don't forget to love your motherfucking self. Don't forget that. Be nicer to your motherfucking self. That's why I'm always so confident in all situations. Because if I see a mirror, I lie to the mirror. Every time I see me, I go, nigga, did you get a growth spurt today? You looking 5'11" today? It's important what go on in your brain. And I just hope for 19 of you that you are just one change away from your shit shifting motherfucking gears. And that's how quick it can happen. Just one last change, bam, you shift gears. Yeah, and I don't give a fuck what the change is, just do it. You might have to change your name. You've been Shaquita for 33 years, bitch. Shit is not working for you. Go back to the drawing board. Start at the A's. You could be Amber, Amy, Abigail. Sometimes it's just a name. I'm gonna give you an example. We got people from all the different races, colors, and creeds in the building. Make some noise if you know all the seasonings. That means you know all the herbs and spices from oregano and thyme all the way to rosemary and saffron. Make some noise if you know all the... look at my white friends. We know them. Okay, since we got everybody in here. Has anybody ever seen paprika growing in the wild? You ever seen wild paprika? Nobody? Because there ain't no paprika. Look at the black people. What? Well, what the fuck we been putting on deviled eggs then, nigga? Can't just say this shit. There is no paprika. Ain't no paprika plant, no paprika bush, no paprika tree. Paprika is dried up, ground up bell peppers. Look at white people. I don't even like bell peppers. Yes, you do. They just had to change the name. Walked in bell peppers, walked out paprika Jenkins. Couldn't keep it on this shelf. She sounds exotic. Now, some of y'all may know, I'm gonna say everything I'm not supposed to say tonight. Just so you know. The world has changed. World has motherfucking changed. Used to be you told a story, people be like, is that true? Now they don't give a fuck if it's true. Is it derogatory? Yes, bitch, it probably is derogatory. But it's true, though. I just had to tell my people what the fuck is really going on, and we are living in a special time. I mean a special fucking time. Like, you can really do anything right about now. I don't give a fuck what's wrong with you. You can fucking make it. Like, even if